It's a
It's a teddy bear.
And
A
you
bear.
like, what else?
It's a teddy bear. And that's it.
Pull it out.
Yeah. They're flowers.
Lucas, scoot back, please.
They're flowers.
Let me see.
Those are
Get back,
pretty.
Riley. Riley, move your arm.
Flowers.
Look at me. Big smile.
Flowers. And these.
That's some food for the flowers.
And a teddy bear.
How cute.
Who do you think it's from? Want me to see? Says from your daddy.
From my daddy.
Uh-huh.
Say thanks, Dad.
I see you.
Whose daddy sends teddy bears and a flower? I wonder why he sent them to you. Do you know why?
Because he loves me.
But why? What kind of day is it?
Because it's Friday.
It's Friday, but what special day? What kind of party did we have yesterday?
Valentine's.
Are you Daddy's Valentine's?
It's pretty.
Okay, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.